Okay, question 4. A box full of 35 matches has mass of 6.77 grams. The box itself has the mass of 3.37 grams. What is the mass of one match in grams? A box full of 35 matches has the mass of 6.77 grams. One match. Okay. Okay. So 35 matches is 6.77 grams. So one match is X. Simply cross multiply. So X is equal to 6.77 divided by 35. 6.77 divided by 35. 0.193. The next part, the B part. What is the volume in cm cube of each match? The match has the dimension 42 millimeters, 2.3 millimeters, and 2.3 millimeters. Okay, these millimeters which is there, we are going to convert this into centimeters because density we are going to calculate in grams per centimeter cube. Okay, so the volume I am calculating. Okay, this is 42 millimeters, so that is 42 divided by 10. I'm directly converting this into centimeters. 2.3 divided by 10 multiplied by 2.3 divided by 10. Okay, so I'm going to calculate this. So that's going to become, I'll divide this 4.2 multiplied by 0.23 multiplied by 0.23. 0.222. 0.222 cm cube. C part, what is the density of the matches? Okay. So this is the C part. Density is, the formula is mass per volume. Okay. Mass for one match is 0.193 divided by 0.222. I'm going to divide this. 0.193 divided by 0.222. This is going to become 0.869. 0.869. The units will be grams per centimeter cube. Okay. How do you know if these matches
Sir, in the
will
D
float?
part, any arrow was given on the left side. So what does that arrow mean?
Where is the arrow? What you have sent me here, there is no arrow.
Sir, on the left side, D part on left side.
This has no,
Yes.
nothing. Okay. Now the D part answer I'm writing over here. Okay. How do you know the if these matches will float. If its density is less than water, we are comparing of course with water, which is not clearly mentioned, but we will assume it and take it as water only. If its density is less than water, density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. This you should know. 0.869 is less than 1. So obviously these matches are going to float. So this is the answer for the D part that I am writing. Density of matches is 0.869 grams per cm cube, which is less than density of water. Density of water is 1 gram per cm cube. Therefore, it will float. You can take down all these answers. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask me. See question number 5. The Earth has the mass of 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg and a radius of about 6,400 kilometers. What is the density of the Earth in kg per meter cube? The volume of the sphere is given by the equation. The formula is given. Volume is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius. So the first thing is I just have to get everything in kg and meter cube. This is the first thing that I'm going to do. Okay. So mass is given to you. This is 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 24 kilograms. Volume is given by the formula, first of all, 6,400 kilometers. These kilometers, I will convert this into meters. Okay. Now, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So over here, its radius 6,400 kilometers. I'm going to multiply this by 1,000. So 6,400 into 1,000. This I'm going to simplify and write it as 6.4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power. 3 zeros are here and 3 zeros I've shifted over here. So 10 raised to the power 6 meters. Now first thing is I'm going to calculate the volume. Volume, the formula is already given to you, 4 upon 3 pi r cube. This is equal to 4 divided by 3 multiplied by, this is pi, multiplied by radius is 6.4 into 10 raised to the power 6. This is going to be whole cube. So this is going to become 4 upon 3 pi 6.4 cube multiplied by, this is going to become 10 raised to the power 18, 6 into 3. I'll do these calculations using calculator. 4 multiplied by pi divided by 3 into 6.4 3 times. One zero nine eight. This is equal to 1098 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 18. I'm going to shift this decimal 3 times. So this is going to become 1.098 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 18 is there, shifted 3 times. So it is going to become 10 raised to the power 21. Okay. This is the volume of the earth. Now I'm going to use the formula. Density is mass upon volume. Mass is over here. Okay. 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. This is the mass. Divided by its volume. This is the volume. So this is going to become 1.098 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 21. So I'll divide this value. 6 divided by 1.098. 5.46. So this is 5.46 multiplied by 10 raised to 24. If I bring this 10 raised to the power 21 up, 24 minus 21 will be 3. So this is going to become 10 raised to the power 3 kilograms per meter cube. This is your final answer. You can take this down. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm just repeating quickly what I have done. First of all, the mass is given 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. The radius is 6,400 kilometers. Multiply by 1000, convert it into meters. Apply the formula. Volume is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. I substitute it. Use the
So
calculator.
why
Get the
2000?
volume. 1 meter is 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. That's why this is multiplied by 1000.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Then finally, density is mass upon volume. So this is what I have substituted and calculated it. You can take this down and then we will go on to the next question.
Okay.
40 drawing pins, that is thumbtacks, like those shown in the figure 1.10. Okay, this is the figure that is shown. Have the mass of 17.55 grams. What is the volume in millimeter cube if one pin, when they are made up of metal with density of 8.7 grams per centimeter cube? Okay. So 40 drawing pins. What is the volume in millimeter cube of one pin? Okay. Fine. See, mass
Sir, I
is
got
given.
the volume in centimeter cube.
So we'll convert that into millimeter cube then. Okay.
Sir, can you just cross check is it right or wrong?
I'll just check that you send it to me. Okay, 40 drawing pins. This mass is 17.55 kg. What I'm going to do is 40 pins. 40 pins is 17.55 grams. So one pin is how much? Cross multiply. So this is going to become 17.55 divided by 40. This is going to be the mass of one pin. Zero 0.44. This is the mass of one pin. Now density, the formula is mass upon volume. So this is going to give me the volume of one pin. So this will give me volume is equal to mass divided by density. So this is mass is 0.44 divided by density is 8.7. So this is going to give me the value 0.05. This value is in centimeter cube. I'm supposed to get it in millimeter cube. Okay. So converting centimeter into millimeter, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So this is going to be equal to 0.05 into, it is cube. So 10 into 10 into 10.
Sir, volume equals to mass into density, na?
See, I've changed the subject over here. Density is mass upon volume. This volume
Yeah,
I have
sir.
taken
So,
here up and density comes down.
sir, but how like that? Volume equals to the density into mass it will become, na?
How it will be? How both density and mass will come on the in the same side in the numerator? What I have done over here is basically, you see, you should know the basic mathematics. Changing the subject of the formula. This is density is mass upon volume. So density, this part which is there, I have brought down here in the denominator. And this volume which is there, I brought this up in the numerator. So volume is equal to mass divided by density. This is what I have done. So the final calculation. Okay, so this is 1, 2, and 3. So this is going to become 50 millimeter cube. This is your final answer. You can take that down. Still, if you have any more questions, you can ask me.